like my video. We don't want to go
A big pop.
video. Let's go over here. I got a gun.
That is cute.
Almost
Look, Mom.
Yeah, it's your boy Tilden.
It's your boy Tilden? Really? That's what we say? It's your boy Tilden?
Hey, he just called William and said he's not going to be, they're not going to be coming because they just got done with the funeral. So,
Be
You
quiet.
alright?
yeah, I thought I'd let you know and let you make a call if you what you wanted to do. All right, well, I love you.
Sorry, honey.
It was good seeing you guys.
Tell her nice to meet her.
And Debbie said it was nice to meet you guys.
Sorry, be safe, love her. Love you, Cole. Be safe, okay, honey?
Okay.
Oh, yeah, okay, I didn't know. All right, love you. Yeah, more pictures.
Did you already get this one?
All right, Tilden.
These ones are in Chelsea's.
Thank you, baby. Oh, look how handsome.
I know.
Look at that. That's like a model pose. Boy, you look like a Hollister model right there.
Which one?
This one.
Oh,
Does he not? Does he not look like he could be on a magazine? Yeah.
Mom, let's go.
So how you been, Sarah?
All right, I'm done.